If you're considering GreenGeeks VPS for your hosting needs, you've probably seen the claims and want to know how it stacks up against the competition. Is it worth the investment? Let's break down 12 things you should know before you buy. First, GreenGeeks stands out with its eco-friendly hosting model. They promise to offset 300% of the energy used by their data centers, making them one of the most environmentally conscious hosting providers out there. But if you're focused solely on performance, some competitors like Bluehost or SiteGround might offer slightly faster speeds in certain cases. Next thing, let's talk about scalability. GreenGeeks VPS plans allow you to easily scale your resources as your website grows. If you're running a high-traffic site or expect growth, this is a crucial feature. That said, other providers like HostGator may offer more flexible scaling options depending on your needs. The third thing to consider is the ease of use. GreenGeeks offers a straightforward dashboard with cPanel, which makes managing your hosting account pretty intuitive. However, compared to competitors like A2 Hosting, some users might find it a bit more basic. Moving on to server performance, GreenGeeks provides solid performance with SSD storage, which means your site will load faster compared to traditional hard drives. For comparison, DreamHost VPS also offers SSD storage, but GreenGeeks boasts superior optimization for WordPress hosting. The fifth thing you should know is customer support. GreenGeeks provides 24/7 support through live chat, phone, and email. They're generally responsive, but some competitors like SiteGround have a slight edge with faster response times and specialized support for high-end users. The sixth thing is their pricing. GreenGeeks VPS plans start at a competitive price, but when you renew, expect the rates to increase. This isn't unusual in the hosting industry, but competitors like Hostinger may offer better long-term pricing options with solid performance. The seventh thing is the uptime guarantee. GreenGeeks offers a 99.9% uptime guarantee, which is fairly standard. However, A2 Hosting often outperforms them, with some reports of uptime closer to 99.99%. Next thing, if you're into WordPress hosting, GreenGeeks shines with optimized plans for WordPress. But if you're comparing it to Kinsta, a top WordPress-focused provider, GreenGeeks might not offer the same level of speed or advanced features for high-traffic WordPress sites. The ninth thing is their security features. GreenGeeks offers solid security with free SSL certificates and daily backups, which is on par with most competitors like InMotion Hosting. However, if you need more advanced security features like malware protection, you might find some other VPS providers offering more robust options. The 10th thing is their data center locations. GreenGeeks operates data centers in the US and Europe, which is great if your target audience is in these regions. However, some competitors like Hostwinds offer a more diverse range of global data center locations, which could be beneficial if you have a more international audience. The 11th thing is the money-back guarantee. GreenGeeks offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, which is standard in the industry. If you're unsure, you can try it risk-free, but some competitors, such as A2 Hosting, give you a longer trial period to test the service. Lastly, let's talk about add-ons and features. GreenGeeks provides additional features like free CDN integration and enhanced security. But if you're looking for a fully featured VPS with advanced tools and more customization options, some competitors like Liquid Web may be a better fit, though at a higher price point. To wrap up, GreenGeeks VPS is a solid choice, especially if you're looking for eco-friendly hosting and reliable performance. However, if you're after a more customizable, feature-rich solution with higher performance and better scalability options, we recommend checking out our top alternative that you can try for free.